Good afternoon from Topgolf in Hillsboro, Oregon. So we decided to take a little page out of the president's book and decide to golf today rather than work. So here we are at Topgolf. We have a 1 o'clock reservation and it's a little afternoon right now. So we're gonna take some time to eat first and then we'll shoot some balls. Whack 'em.
Whack 'em.
I don't know what the proper term is. I'm terrible at golf, but we're gonna have some fun anyway. So here we go.
Raining.
Yeah, it's raining. So we had originally decided to go to Bonneville Dam and Beacon Rock today, but it is raining and I don't really want to hike in the rain, especially with terrible shoes. So we decided to go to Topgolf instead. I think it'll be more fun. We'll see. Here is kind of the front entrance. There's a nice little water fountain thing here. And then here's the bar. And there's a beautiful girl. Then you turn to the right and outside is the Topgolf, where it's kind of like a fun little game. You try and get into those blue areas, or even the white one down there all the way at the end. Should be fun. Tomorrow, jabrownie, jabrownie. I had a teacher in England who would say that diction in singing is sexy. This song has no diction, therefore is not sexy.
So I got this brisket grilled cheese and some heckin' french fries, some potato, and then Zach got wings. They look really good.
First bite.
I'm divorcing you for the sandwich.
Oh, it looks so good.
It's so good.
Alright, gonna try my first of the chicken bites. There it goes.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's heckin' good. That's some good chicken. Alright, body, I'm eating a vegetable. If you wouldn't mind just being healthy now, it'd be great.
I ate a vegetable today.
Yeah. I ate a vegetable, doing a little bit of exercise. We're healthy, right? I just devoured that meal. So did Jen.
I feel pregnant.
Surprise! No, she's not pregnant. So this thing kind of gives you a overview of the area. 215 yards is all the way out there at the back of the fence. The white one, blue one, yellow ones. I mean, they all kind of look almost the same color from here. Blue, 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 but they're not. They're different colors. But yeah, the farther you hit it and into one of those big areas, the more points you get. And then, I like this, no running starts, no Happy Gilmoreing. A little dark, can't really see Jen very well, but we're going to give this a try. Is that a left-handed one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Okay, it goes on the bottom.
Huh? Your driving hand goes on the bottom, so switch those. That one, yeah. Hey, that's better than I thought it was going to be. Just going to try and drive it. Oh! Dang, that went far.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
See it, but I made it in the white, which is all the way out, yeah, and it gave me 17 points. It was amazing. I got 6 points.
Wow. So little thing over here and it tells you how many points you have.
Back to trying left-handed again. Switch hands, there you go. Yeah, so bend your knees. Not that far. It's a nice try. You hit on top of the ball. That was fun, but I won literally every time.
You know what? Don't be rude.
Yeah, I can be rude. So, what did you think of Top Shot? Or Top Golf?
Top Shot. That was
Top Shot's a TV show. Or was.
Yeah.
Top Golf.
Topgolf. I really liked it. It was really fun. The food was really good. I divorced you over a sandwich. I don't know. It was really fun, even though I'm really bad at golf.
Yeah, me too. Me too. So yeah, I mean, it was really nice environment. It was very pretty around there. Like, I woke up this morning going, man, I want to go back to Topgolf. I want to go do that again. It was really fun. I need to save up like $200 so I can do the entire summer of golfing. You know, I think that'd be really fun. Yeah. So like the food was delicious, and you know, for what we spent on it, I think it was worth it because we got an hour of golfing. We got some really good food. It was a really nice facility. Yeah. The games that you can play on the system are a lot of fun. I was having an absolute blast trying to get the ball in the big holes that are out there, you know?
And it felt like the time went by a lot faster. Like, I thought when it was like an hour was done, I was like, what, we're done? Like, I just want to keep playing, but like, obviously it's really expensive.
Yeah, I could have spent the entire day there, you know? Yeah. If I had the money.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, and we also had to get back to Clark, but yeah, I mean, it was an absolute blast. So.
Also, it's real cool because, like, any of y'all from Washington understand that's real cold all the time, and it rains 9 months out of the year. They have heaters outside, so you don't have to wear a jacket while golfing if you don't want. There's a ton of space, so even there was people next to us, but it still didn't feel like there were people next to us.
Yeah. So. Also, like, there's other places around here where you can kind of golf or at least take practice swings with a bucket of balls, you know. I think the closest one to us is $10 for a bucket of balls, which is about a half an hour of whacking if you're quick about it. Yeah. But, you know, I would rather spend I think $50 or not even that. It was $35 for an hour, but we had to spend $10 for the little cards.
Oh yeah, so like
membership card.
Yeah, you have to pay for a membership the first time you ever go there. If you're with one person, you can just pay for one and be under them. But if you're gonna go back, like, just get the card because that's what I did.
Yeah, we both have the card now, and so we're both both members. But that means that in the future, if we go back, we only pay for whatever hours we're working on, not the $5 per person membership thing. So yeah, we don't have to do that anymore. So it could be, you know, $35 for an hour, or I think it was $55 for an hour and a half, and then 60 some odd for 2 hours.
Yeah, but if you bring like a big group of people, depending on the time of the days, it's like bowling. It's only like $5 or $7 per person per hour if you have like 6 people.
It'd be like if you paid for a lane and you could have as many people on the lane as you could put on the screen. I think they have 5 people per thing.
6.
Or 6. Mm-hmm. 6 per bay at the Topgolf. Yep. And that's not a bad idea. You know, if you're doing an hour, it's like $5.12 a person or something like that. Mm-hmm. If you're doing more than that, then obviously you pay a little bit more. But, you know, the more people you bring, the cheaper it is, as long as everybody's paying their own way, you know? So.
Fun group idea, fun date idea.
Yeah, rainy day idea.
Rainy day idea.
Rainy day idea. Every time I turn my face, it reflects the light and it makes the thing change.
I'm white.
Yeah. Sorry about this, folks. I thought our video camera would be better at this, but it's not. So, anyway, anything else you want to say about it?
No, it's just really fun. I really want to go do it again.
I do too.
Just be prepared to have money when you go. It's definitely not free.
It's a little spendy, but I mean, you know, $10 an hour for balls, and you're just standing out in the middle of the rain and on the grass, or you can pay $35 for an hour and be up on like 3 stories high.
Oh yeah, we were on the top level. That was really fun. Really cool. And I'm really bad at shooting balls, so I would hit it and would just like roll off the platform and fall down.
Yeah, I think she did that 3 or 4 times. I did it once. It happened to me once.
Yeah.
So. I did swing and miss entirely a few times, and so did she, but yeah.
It's fine.
It's fine. All right, well, if you don't have anything else to say, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give that like button a little tap, subscribe, hit the bell notification, do all the things that you know how to do. Thank you for supporting us. We'll see you next time. Good afternoon from Topgolf in Hillsboro, Oregon. Blooper reel.
Yeah.